Hi everybody. In this video, we're going to walk through how to set up location targeting, also known as geo-targeting, for your Facebook ads. This is useful when your product or service is meant for people in a certain area. First, go to Meta Ads Manager. If you're not signed in, log in with your Facebook account. Once you're in, you can either choose an existing campaign or create a new one. To start a new campaign, click the green Create button. Then choose your campaign objective. This could be traffic, engagement, or conversions. After selecting the objective, click Continue. You'll now be at the ad set level where you can define your audience and targeting. Scroll to the section called Audience. This is where you tell Facebook who you want to reach. You can include custom audiences or lookalike audiences if you have them. You can also choose details like age and gender. But for now, we'll focus on the location part. Find the field labeled Locations and click the Edit button next to it. Here, Facebook gives you 4 location targeting options. These are people living in this location, people recently in this location, people traveling in this location, and people living in or recently in this location. Choose the one that best fits your goal. For example, if you run a local gym, select people living in the location. If you run a tourist business, select people traveling in the location. Now it's time to choose specific locations. You can target countries, states, regions, cities, zip codes, or even a specific business address. If you're in the United States, you can also target by DMA, which stands for Designated Market Area. This can help if you want to focus on large media markets. There are 2 ways to add locations. The first is to type the name into the search bar. Facebook will suggest matching areas. Select the right one. The second way is to use the map. Zoom in and click Drop Pin. Then set the radius around the location. This is helpful if you want to reach people near a store or office. Once all your locations are set, you can move on to the next steps like setting placements, budget, and ad creative. That's how to set up geo-targeting in Facebook ads. Thanks for watching.